Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news for all you OnePlus fans out there. The highly acclaimed OnePlus 11 5G smartphone has just received an amazing software update. So let's dive right in and find out what's new. The OnePlus 11 5G, which was launched earlier this year in February, came running Android 13 based OxygenOS 13 out of the box. But now it has received a fresh update in the form of OxygenOS 13.1. This latest update brings along some fantastic enhancements, including improved performance, better security, and enhanced system stability. Just last week, OnePlus announced the rollout of eagerly awaited software update on their community page. The OxygenOS 13.1.0.580 update is currently being rolling out in the batches of OnePlus 11 users in India, and it brings the June 2023 Android security patch and several other exciting upgrades. One of the highlights of this update is the improved system security and stability, ensuring a smoother and safer user experience. That's not all. OnePlus has gone the extra mile to enhance your connectivity experience. The OxygenOS 13.1 update claims to improve the stability of your mobile network, connections, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Say goodbye to those annoying drop calls or patchy Wi-Fi signals. Now it's worth mentioning that this update, with the firmware version IN and the number mentioned above the screen, is currently rolling out in India only. OnePlus had adopted a gradual rollout approach to ensure a smooth experience for all users. So if you haven't received the update yet, don't worry. It will be available to a wider audience in Europe and North America later this month. For those eager to get their hands on the update sooner, OnePlus has provided an easy solution. Simply head to your phone settings tab, select software update and hit the download button. And that's it. You will be on your way to experience the all new fantastic features this update brings out with the OnePlus 11 5G. Let's not forget to mention the impressive specs of the OnePlus 11 5G. Launched this year at the Cloud 11 event, this smartphone boasts a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC processor paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. Its stunning 6.7-inch LPTO 3.0 AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate provides a buttery smooth display experience. And to keep you going all day, the OnePlus 11 is equipped with a hefty 5000 mAh battery that supports blazing fast 100-watt SuperVOOC charging. With this new software update, OnePlus has once again demonstrated its commitment to providing top-notch user experience. So if you are a proud OnePlus 11 owner, make sure to grab the OxygenOS 13.1 update as soon as it becomes available in your next region. Stay tuned to your channel for more exciting tech news and reviews. Until next time, bye bye.